everything up there looked good, other than the fact where that all that insulation was pushed aside by the solar.
Okay.
So this tile is obviously not done by a professional. There's the gaps aren't consistent between the tiles and that. And see, everything in here was good. The windows open good. Everything works. Well, so no real issues here. There was this one works. So yeah, this bathroom, just some gaps in there, but that's expected. Just have to use the caulking, but everything else in here looked good. So smoke alarms all function. In here. Some more grout problems under there. There's this tile right there beside the, not even grouted in. It's loose. You can move it around. These, so crack in at the bottom is normal, but this one's cracked all the way around at that level. So and that's not typical to have those in a wall. So I'm not sure if that where they gapped the shower pan or what happened there, but something's going on there. So the tub worked great, filled it up, worked great. You got the same thing, just tile joints and that. And then, yeah, here. And also this one. This one's got to stop. That one just, I didn't realize it. I tried turning it off and it didn't quite turn on. So just, they didn't tile or put seals in. It's just sheetrock wrapped around. So yeah, just needs to be caulked because it's absorbed moisture into there now that the caulking stripped, but it's just being sheetrock. This was all good. Everything under the sinks looked good. Sinks all ran good, they drain good. This third switch. So that light don't ever come on, and that light above the shower don't come on. That switch over here, that third one and then this one doesn't do anything. So I don't know if possibly the solar company tripped on some wiring and pulled it loose. Or because for both bulbs to be burnt, it's kind of
anomaly.
Yeah. And a lot of the solar wiring is in this area. So you got the fogged compromise seal between the windows. You can see the streaks in these ones, and those are between the panes. So this is compromised too. And here, everything was good, no problems. That one in there. Yeah, here you can really see the difference in the gaps. Get down here. And when you step on that tile, you can hear it tick. So it's actually moving. Several places, but that's the used home, right? Okay. All of the all the covers that say what the function is are gone. So the oven did work. She had to show me which buttons were start, stop, and everything else. But yeah, so those are all worn off to where it makes that a little difficult. Range all looked good, no problems there. GFCI's all functioned. Disposal works good, no problems there. Dishwasher ran the full cycle, no leaks. So that's all good. Oh, this one's got the board on it. This, I think it's a downstairs one, the whole lot. They got the doggy door in here, so they got a star. I did open and close it, and I think this did work on that one. This one latches. So yeah, I think the downstairs one that won't latch when you close it.
Okay.
So yeah, everything else in here's okay. Kind of a cool looking fireplace. You do have to light it here. So you just turn that on.
Oh.
Yeah, no fan on it. It's just pretty easy to do. It's got the louver vent that's catching everything.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, other than that, everything else in here looks good. It does have the ironing board with the plug in there is grounded and everything looks good. Sink's good. All the cabinets work. Everything in here other than that doggy door, that creates a break in the firewall between the house and the garage. None of these receptacles are DFCI protected either. Except, you know, this age they should be protected, so I'm surprised. I don't know if that's been removed after they moved in. Or... Yeah, everything in here was fine, no problems there. Loose the doors damaged, or the walls damaged a little bit where it's next over there. Not grounded. And this one's not grounded. Anything at all with the moisture meter. But where you've basically got a double wall because of the foundation, you could have moisture in that outside wall without really being able to detect it, but you can see that blue going up the wall.
Mm-hmm.
So this is right there by where the power's coming in. So like I said, zero moisture content with the moisture meter, but that everything else, it looks like everything's insulated. That's either a gap in the insulation, or
so it's allowing cool
we've
or
got
cold.
some moisture in that bay that's causing it to cool down that insulation, but still not coming through.
So it's a cool spot.
Yeah,
from
it's just
something.
a cool spot. Could be a moisture or just an insulation gap, but
Okay.
From what I've seen outside, I'd be leery of it.
Mm-hmm.
A little storage room. In here, so this the door doesn't hang level. It's just an adjustment, so it won't latch. Little crack off the tile. Kind of weird how it went to a point and it's cracked through two different tiles. But yeah, tub looks good. Everything in here is all right, other than that little crack in the door.
Okay.
In here, this receptacle does not have any power at all, and the other one on this wall does not have power.